We are on our way to the theatre, guys. A very spontaneous little date night. We are going to watch Tina Turner. Haven't seen that one. Loved Motown, loved Michael Jackson, which is like around the same vibes. So I do think we are going to love Tina Turner too. Huh?
What's that?
I think that's on 148. We're getting the bus because we're going into the city and we're already late. So we don't want to be like scurrying around looking for parking. So yes. I forgot to show you guys my outfit of the day. But I'm going to show you because I'm feeling cute. Didn't 468 used to go further?
I think... I don't know, but I know that 171 used to go further. 40 used to go further. No,
yeah, 171 used to go Holborn. Show starts at 7:30. What time is it?
6:43.
Yeah, it's 6:43 and it takes us 40 minutes to get there. So hopefully we get there on time. Or just
BMT.
BMT, yeah, literally BMT. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit of the day later on. I've got on a little red number and he's got on a little brown number. I was just saying how whenever you have a camera outside, you can always act foreign because everyone automatically thinks that you're some sort of tourist. So I was saying to my husband that today I am from France, and we are at Lancaster Palace, and we are going to watch Tina Turner, as they say that it is a very good show. We do have some pretty cool seats, but let's go find them. I think it's on the other side though. Yeah. What is it? N? Yeah. Okay, that should be like decent. Should we get something? Should we get something to drink first? She looks like some. Oh my god! I'm excited, guys, because I love the theatre. I love it, and I've heard it's really, really good. So good that people think that it's actually Tina Turner. So I'm looking forward. We got some snacks, some Fanta, some Pringles. I was gonna get sweeties, but I do think I'm gonna get a cheeky burger after. So I said, let me go light on the snacks. I know there'll be a Five Guys somewhere or something. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's Thursday, which is the new Friday. Anyways, guys, the show's gonna start soon, so I'm gonna talk to you guys soon. Bye. It's interval, guys. I wish I could show you how good this is, but oh my gosh, the girl sounds like Tina Turner, right? Really does. Oh my gosh, she's so good. Yeah, it's going so good. This guy has not watched What's Love Got to Do with It. That is the movie version of Tina Turner's like autobiography or whatever it is. It is so good, but so good. Actually cried watching it. Yeah. I really did. That man is evil. And they're all playing her music. It's like they know when to come. Hello. Oh babe, remember when we went to Motown, guys, for my, what was that, my 23rd? No, 22nd, because we went, no, I got married at 22. Wait, my 20th. For my 20th, Nelly took us to go and watch Motown. And at the end, We came out and we got on these things, guys. It was bloody expensive.
Did we even take
They literally took us.
It's like down the road, isn't it?
Yeah, they took us to Oxford Circus Station. They literally took us down the road. It wasn't even 10 minutes. It was like one song. We just know it was expensive, but it was so fun. We've got to go back. Wow, what's love got to do with it? Woo! What's love but a second-hand emotion? No, this is London. Wow, what's love got to do? What's love? Be on the bus, going home. This is London life for you. London is so big, like there's no point driving because there's nowhere to park. But because no one's driving, all the buses, all the trains, all the tubes are packed. But it's okay. Y'all, we home. It's almost midnight and I got me some chicken wings. Ooh, look at that. Delicious. I can't wait to back this down because my guy's hungry. And if you go to chip shop, this is the only drink you're getting. Strawberry Mirinda. If it's not a strawberry Mirinda, then so what are you doing? And then some fries. And burger sauce. I'm a happy bunny. Oh, only gave drumsticks. I'm a flat wing, babe. All right, good night, guys. Good morning, guys. No. It's very much afternoon. It is 3:15 and I'm going for brunch. A super late brunch, but I have to show you guys my outfit of the day because I'm feeling cute. So I've got this New York hat, which I absolutely love. I've got in like the burgundy color, maroon, whatever you want to call it. Love it. Fetch. And then I've also paired it with these mango earrings. Their earrings, the best. And I've also got on my Zara bodysuit. If you don't have a Zara bodysuit, then you need to get yourself one in every single color. It snatches you right. It is so comfortable and it just goes with everything. And I've paired that with these balloon trousers, which I absolutely love. They are from River Island. And I've also paired it with my Zara sandals, which everybody loves, but my sister hates. So I've got those on. They are super fetch. And these bangles, which are from Zara. We are in London, so I can't go out like this because it's a little bit chilly. So I'm gonna put on a blazer. This blazer is from Zara. Absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, the structure on this thing is amazing. And then I'm just gonna pair it with my Jacquemus bag as well, something handy. You know, I'm gonna be out and about, might go shopping, so I want to have my hands free and whatever. But this is my fit of the day. So now I'm gonna go meet my friends and I'll see you guys soon.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was me out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Plus, what's the point of crying? It was never even now.
This is it. We're going to a tiny little spot, not too far from here. It's in the, I don't even know what they call it, Borough Yards. We wanted to go Accra. I've been to Accra before. Absolutely love the food, but they didn't have any bookings, so told me just gonna have to go another time. Oh, nice to have, babe. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
You look cute. Oh.
I like to sit next to you, actually.
Hi. Oh, you're cute.
I made the mistake. I should have walked the way I knew. I thought it was. You're so cute in person.
I know.
Would you want me to run you through anything about the menu? Or you just have to look?
You look first. Or you can just, just let us know. It's like, it's sharing, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah?
So usually between a couple of people with their camera, you recommend up to 5 or 6 dishes.
Okay.
So do you have any other cheese, lighterries?
No.
And you can be spicy food as well.
Yeah.
Would you recommend anything in particular?
You can sell braised pork and the kale fritters. Those are like the most popular dishes everyone goes crazy for.
Oh, okay.
I live in 30 3-hour drive.
And we're gonna do what girls do. We are going shopping. Oh my God. Scared us.
Are you following us?
Say hi. You're actually following
Are you
us.
buying my shopping?
Yeah, you gotta find a way to find a way to make them more interesting. Oh, I love lip glosses. I do want to look at some lip glosses.
A lip gloss?
I like them.
Across the body is better. I like the fact that I can do shoulder and across.
Yeah. Oh, what I do need, I need a setting spray. I've literally just realised what the difference is between. I've got a wedding next week and the man ain't got shoes to go with the outfit. So my girl over here said I should get the
Axel
alligators. Axel alligator. But yeah, I'm thinking to just get the all white one. I actually like them all. They are actually cute. They do girl shoes. I would proper rock this.
Axels are nice.
Yeah, these will look so fetch with these outfits. All right, let's get these in a size 10.
Yeah.
These are cute. Oh my gosh. I want to get them. Do you know it's impulse? I'm not going to lie. See what I mean when I say I like? So I've just arrived at Covent Garden. Oh, it's a little bit windy. Hope you guys can hear me. But I have an invite today to I don't know, it's a taco place. I think they've invited a lot of foodie creators to come down to enjoy the night and to obviously try out the food, the new menu, drinks, so on and so forth, tape content for them. So I'm going to be going to that. I am a little bit early, but it's hubby's birthday this week, so I'm trying to find him a present. Guys, this guy, he's not keen on gifts. He doesn't like me gifting him things, but how can I not gift him? So it's something that I have to do. I just have to, regardless whether he says yes or no. Even if we go and return the gift after, it is what it is, but I have to get him something. So I'm just here having a look around, see if I see anything, and if I don't, obviously then another day. But that is the plan for this evening. I am so tired. Like, I really don't want to be here. I really don't want to be out at all, but money I have to make. Just arrived. The spot is cute. It's super cute. It's really tiny though. I haven't eaten, guys, so I really shouldn't be drinking like this.
Yeah, all personal holidays, and then I'm off to Vietnam over New Year's. So like,
the next day.
Hey guys, we're on our way to a wedding. This is my fit of the day. Obviously I'll show you guys more later, but yes, I'm feeling cute. So word is the bridesmaids are at the location, so that means we can leave. Because you already know that means the bride is on her way. Oh damn it, I forgot to go get cash and I forgot to get a card. That's annoying.
We place these rings upon your word, Davina and Ahmed, husband and wife.
Ava, you look cute. Look at all this. Look. Wow, they look great, don't they? Vlogging.
Auntie Vivi.
That is it. The thing is, we saw her in the car, but we went to go park somewhere else. Like Copeland.
Where?
Yeah. We went to the mum's house. Yes.
Hi, babe.
Morning guys, so I'm in the Uber as per usual, waiting for Nelly. Oh my gosh, I feel like this guy's okay. Here he is. Like he stays not trying to be late, but we always finna wait up for him. We're on our way to the airport now. We got an Uber to come pick us up in the morning, which is good. Guys, did you know that you could pre-book Ubers? I really didn't know that. You know, that's a new thing for me. But here he is. Hi. Yeah. I gotta put my seatbelt on. I forgot. Super excited. We need some sun. It's about an hour drive. Excited? Guys, you only get so excited when we reach the airport. We made it through security, y'all, which is the most important thing. Are you excited yet?
I will be excited in the Greece airport. How many times do I have to tell you this exciting?
Do you know why? Because he's such a party pooper. We're at his favourite part, guys, duty free, where he smells every single perfume in the entire place and leaves with none because he buys them all online. Go on, go ahead, go to heaven, go on. Wow, look at him in his element. Right, it smells like something already. Is it one that we have already? So we usually share everything. So Nelly got eggs and brisket, and then we've got a full ingli, which we're just gonna have together. Thank you.
Sorry, I got one in the end.
We're voting now. I'm gonna see you guys when I get there.